Accessories are the link between our decoration and clothing collections. Our experience acquired in the textile world allows us to take care of the details and the finishes of these. We'll start by showing you the most masculine part of the collection, which is made up of backpacks, messenger-type bags, travel bags, that in many cases are made with water-repellent fabrics. We've used aged-look cotton fabrics to make vintage-style collection handbags detailed with cowhide. Shoulder bags, toiletry bags, purses, even glasses cases are made with the same fabrics. The really summery touch is provided by bags and backpacks in bright colours and cheerful prints. Watercolours with coral motifs, starfish and urchins have been printed on tote bags, shoulder bags and purses. We also work with leather to make belts, purses, wallets, adding a nautical touch to these with embossed prints. Beach bags could not be left out. These two are in navy and have white prints. Our scarves hang from the display ladder with a wide variety of motifs and colours printed on fine fabrics. We have increased our range of cushions, looking for a greater variety of styles and shapes. All cushions are filled and have an easily removable cover, so they can be washed. Our fabrics and motifs often use elements that you will also find on our tablecloths, linens, bags, and even tableware. The variety that we offer allows us to adapt to very different environments and styles.